Zhuhai. Conduit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around. Gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly.
We got a few things here. We got Xiangbu Food Street, which is the one we're probably going to go down. Dragon Boat Pavilion, so you can watch the Dragon Boat as an island. Hospital Hotel. So we're going to be going down Xiangbu Lu, and it looks like there's some different kinds of streets here. So that's the street sign. We're going to probably go down all the way down this way, and then we're going to probably go down to the ocean. I think that's the general plan. So stay tuned for that. Let's put this up on the map. Okay, we have a little bit of Zhuhai, China for you. Let's put this right up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And without further ado, let's get right into it as if you were there yourself. Come on, let's go with me. Okay, so let me just kind of give you an idea. So this looks like kind of an interesting street all the way down that way. Down this way there was actually a mall, Aeon Mall, and a few other things. Let me see if we can even look down that way. But it was all the way down in this way, and then down that way actually goes to the ocean. So there's a lookout right there. But since we're going to be the ocean is easy to look at because there's many videos of Zhuhai with the ocean, but I don't think there's many videos of just random streets. So today we're gonna go down this food street that's parallel with the ocean and kind of take a look and see what's here. We got some clothing shops. It's also called the food street, so I don't know if that's maybe because it's down there. Let's walk on this side. But yeah, this was called the food street, I believe. Let's see what this is. Hude Shige, Korean restaurant. Okay, let's just see what else we got in here. So is this part of the food street? Feels like it could be. There's some references here. So I don't know if that's references this one or not. 1680, 1685. It does seem like this will be busy in the evening maybe. So we did get to see what that street was like a little bit. So my guess is this is really lively at nighttime. And it's really quiet in the daytime, as you can see. Is this the food street? The food street did kind of have like a little bit of an angle to it. So if this is the food street, and I think it must be, it's fine, because we're just giving an idea of what's around here. And actually it might be kind of interesting anyways, just to kind of see. Okay, so if we go down that way, it's just kind of an alley, which looks pretty interesting too. And this actually 1909, there's some references to this too. Right there, this is 1909, so I don't know, maybe the building is 1909, but maybe there was references that were older as well. Let's walk down this way. You kind of see, for some reason, Pabst Blue Ribbon beer is popular here. I have no idea why. Pabst Blue Ribbon, if you didn't know, in the United States, it's kind of a hipster thing. So like Portland, Oregon, and like hipster cities. Zhuhai is not a hipster city, so it's funny they'd have Pabst Blue Ribbon beer, just so you can have a reference. That's what I'm referring to. This right here, it's an American beer. traditionally. Maybe they brew it in China. Which would be kind of funny, right? Okay, so we're just kind of giving you an idea of randomness in China. It looks like we can go, I'm just gonna go back in these little alleys. The alleys are always really interesting anyways to me. And in some cities in China, they really do a lot in the alleys. Like they'll turn into, right here, so there's a restroom right here. So this is already, hello. Restaurant? Restaurant? Oh, pool hall. Oh. It's a pool hall. Oh, okay. So I actually, these pool halls you can play billiards, and there'll be, you can play with women, you can play against them. I saw that on another YouTuber. Okay, we'll just keep on going down. So yeah, you never know, like you get in these alleys and you never know what you find. Sometimes you find something really interesting like that. Here they're doing like sewing machine. Let's see. So I think this whole row is like all sewing. And then this actually, that goes up into an apartment. So yeah, this is a little sewing alley. So we had a billiards, we had sewing. So yeah, if you're like if you live in this neighborhood, that's kind of typical in China, or Korea too, and I live there. Is Vietnam would be the same, but like all the neighborhoods are pretty dense. So you just have interesting stuff like that. So people will kind of know, like, okay, I just go downstairs and right over there I can get this sewed and the shoes fixed and whatever. Let's just go over here. So we got more clothing stores. So we basically started over there, and then that mall was over there too, this Aeon Mall. That was kind of cool though that we saw a billiards place. She was kind of cool actually, because she said hello and oops. The little boy ran into me. He wasn't watching, he ran directly into me. He didn't even know I was a foreigner. If he would have looked up, he would have been surprised. They're usually kind of surprised if they see foreigner face. Ah, that looks kind of cool. I bet that overlooks the ocean. Yeah, there's kind of more stuff all around in here, right? Let me just kind of go like this. They're really deviating from, but it doesn't matter because I'll put it up on the map and then you can see exactly where we are anyways. So that will go down. A lot of times they honk the horn if they want to go, if they want you to know that they're behind you. There's a lot of traffic in here. I'm gonna go towards that temple because I bet that temple overlooks the ocean. This one right here. And if it doesn't, I should probably end the video anyways, because we're gonna deviate quite a bit off of our food street. We hardly saw any foods, did we? That's a crazy wig. So we are going to take a look at this temple right here, and I think we're going to be ending. Let's see. Oh, Ramada. It's actually a hotel right here. Oh, I saw this. Huh. Huh. This is kind of interesting because this kind of has like a Portuguese reference a little bit. It says 1909. And there's a Ramada right there. I kind of want to go down this street as well. Let's just come down over here real quick. Convenience store. Okay, so there's more buildings over on the other side, so if I did get up there, it wouldn't really mean anything anyways. I thought that might overlook the ocean. The 1909 reference is interesting because 1909, because Macau would have been Portuguese until 1999, right? So like 90 years before, you basically had Portugal right next to us a few kilometers away. Yeah, here's a Ramada. So maybe I should link the Ramada because this is kind of connected. So if you stay at the Ramada, you'd also, let's see what this is. Please go upstairs. Looks like a fusion restaurant. It's like kind of like cheese and tomato and beef. Huh. Hello. Let me see. Plus they got ice cream shop too. So I don't know. That place looks kind of interesting. Because that says 1909, I kind of have this feeling that maybe it's a fruit market. Sometimes in this area, in Macau in particular, there'll be a lot of foods that are like kind of like cheese and tomato kind of stuff mixed in with meat. It'd be like a, they call it like fusion. So it's kind of for the tourist, Chinese tourist, to experience kind of European items that are in food, but it's not necessarily part of the Westerner meaning like a European palate, like the taste buds. The style is kind of for, it's like Chinese food in America. It's like it's not really made for Chinese people, it's made for American people with some of the Chinese. And they do the same here with the Portuguese food. Anyways, we've definitely ventured off into far away from our street. And I think I'll just end it. It's a food fun inn. Fun inn. Never fun inn. Okay. Let's end right there.
Under the Zhuhai sky,